The rabbit and the squirrel. The rabbit and squirrel were best friends. They would play together all day long, running through the forest and climbing trees. One day, the rabbit and the squirrel decided playing hide and seek. The rabbit hid in a hole in the ground, and the squirrel hid in a tree. The rabbit waited a long time for the squirrel to find him. He started to get worried. He thought that maybe the squirrel has gotten lost. Just when the rabbit was about to give up, he heard a noise. He looked up and he saw the squirrel hiding behind the tree. The rabbit smiled and said, "I found you." The rabbit was so happy to see his friend and run towards the tree to give this codjet a hug. The rabbit and the squirrel continued to be best friends for many years. Moral: it's important to be accepting for others, even if they are different from you.